we just met at the track. This is Jamal, right?
Yes, Jamal Rogers.
Jamal is here for a ride in the Crazy Mustang. And have you ever been on the track here before?
No.
But he's been in a race car before at the track?
Lotus Driving Academy, Houston, Texas.
Lotus Driving Academy. Well, we're about to feel what 760 horsepower feels like going around COTA.
Looking forward to it.
I think we're going to have the intercom recorded. This is kind of new, so hopefully that turns out. But we'll be talking back and forth. We'll go out there, we'll ratchet it up, and we'll just see how we're doing. You ready for this?
Looking forward to it.
Let's do this.
Thank you, brother.
So this is the front straight with the big hill going up turn 1. So we're in pit lane right now. Now I'm going to turn the volumes up just a bit because it's about to get loud.
Is that OEM exhaust system?
It is, yeah.
Sounds good. Flag station, that's all good. Tires are cold and low pressure. So we just started out nice and easy, warming the tires, warming the brakes, avoiding all the curbing. That's turn 2 back there. This goes into what's called the S's. Turn 3, 4, 5, 6. These are really challenging. I'll do the same thing at the end of this back straight. This is the big back straight. We'll get to maybe 160. Not right now, because I'm going to get off the throttle earlier. I'm just going to do a nice, slow application of the brakes just to put some heat into them. My tire pressures right now, waiting for them to come up. How you doing? Good. Yeah, this is really the gentle stuff right now. It's crazier. Alright, tires aren't quite up to temperature yet, so we're just going to do a little bit more warm-up. Turn 1 has a bump on the inside. Car kind of bucks and snorts a little bit. There's a bump here on the exit right here. And we're looking to do a late apex. Tighten up against this red white. Shoot out to the middle of the track. And normally I'd be over on the red, but I'm avoiding that all for just this lap 2, and I'd be on that green. We're just going wide around everything right now. Alright, we're going to go high speed down the back straight and do a harder brake application. Alright, there's 100, 120, 140, 150, and that was about half to 2/3 brakes. I got on them early. How you doing? Good.
Alright. Tires are pretty close, so we're going to start cutting some curbs. Tires are feeling pretty good, actually. That was about 2/3 brakes again.
Wow, amazing brakes.
Amazing.
I
can hear you loud and clear now. Good. Alright, so we do a late apex here. We're going to get up against that red and white. Fight for it, middle of the track. We're going to start cutting the S's now. A little wide there. Fix it here. There we go. Green. Green is good. Brake check. Hard turn. Get over on that red. Get up. Get it. On the red.
towards brake again.
Okay.
There's more. Little throttle to get the rear end to settle. When you're hitting the brakes, the rear end unloads. You need some weight on the rear tires, get it to turn. Rotate the car around the turn. You doing all right?
Yep.
All right. Easy to go off track right here. And then this becomes off camber right here with a bump. This is what caused that Porsche to crash. Right there.
Still at 2/3 braking right there?
Yeah, up there. There's a jump. We're going to do a little jump and I'll hammer the brakes. Remember that guy just put on his brake lights. That was 3/4 braking. You doing all right?
Yep.
Awesome. All right. Not too much speed. Just gonna cut this corner. Middle of the track. Tap the brake on the red. That was a better line. Tap the brake on the green. Tap green. Harder brake. Turn. Rotate the car. Get it on the red. Throttle. Brake. Turn. Red. Throttle. Full throttle. Full brake. Red. Red to red. Blind turn coming up. Turn number 10. Turn. Back straight already again. Flight station.
Good driving, man.
Thank you, sir.
Good driving.
100, or 10, or 20, or 30, 40, 150. Off the brake. I could take that deeper, but you never know what he's going to do with his braking.
See if you get him in the straight.
Yeah, we're catching up to him in the turns, too. Closing the gap, closing the gap. How you doing with all the G's?
Oh, I'm fine, man.
Okay.
Yeah, this works. Yeah, you set up real good now.
Little overcook on that corner.
You gonna make the pass?
We'll see. See if horsepower wins here. Good cars coming on track.
You going?
There's the pass.
Wait,
Yeah.
you back.
All right, don't swing wide, hit him. If I see him in the mirror, good, clear.
Good drive. Good driving.
Catching a McLaren supercar.
Absolutely.
Trying to hit the,
He's gonna make you back.
yeah, we'll see, hopefully, there it is.
Good driving.
Thank you. Yeah, McLaren's 2 up now in front of the Porsche. You still doing okay with all this craziness?
No problem.
We're gonna let this open wheel or this little race car pass because he's fast and the turns no weight. There we go.
Radical.
Yeah.
Nice kid.
Yeah.
200 grand maybe?
Really?
I think so.
Yeah, they're fast.
bit different than yours.
Yeah. I take the horsepower line. Tire pressures are getting kind of high. They start losing grip. I'm pushing the car hard.
Good driving.
Oh, he's not running away from us.
No. On TV, this racetrack looks a little bit bigger.
Yeah. And it flattens out this big hill. Catching him in the braking zones. Now he should be really fast through the S's. And he is. Rotate the car. There it is.
Great driving.
Thank you. Alright. I think this is our last hot lap. I got some high tire pressures. We'll run this back to the start line. Then we're going to take it easy for a cool down lap.
Absolutely.
Catching them in the braking zones.
Has the rear ever stepped out on you at this racetrack?
It does, yeah.
Completely around.
I've never spun at this track.
Okay.
Let me get a lot of good slides though. Yeah, but I can feel that those balloon tires losing traction. We're gonna run it hard up the hill and then take it easy for a lap.
Yes, sir.
Alright, we got our lap time. Time to slow it back and relax. This is turn one. Turn one has some bumps. You dish out wide, come back left, there's a bump right here. It upsets the car usually a little bit. This is a late apex, turn number two. Hit this, slide in the middle of the track. A lot of people go track right. Not necessary because you're going into the S's. Get on the red. You want to make these S's as straight as possible. On the green, still within bounds. On the green. This is a weird kind of turn because if you come in here hot, it's going to push you track left and you need to be track right. You need to be over here to set up for the next turn. Get on the red, and we got a fast Mercedes that I'm talking here. Yep, we're going to let those guys have the line. There we go. All right, get on the red here and over to the red over here. This sets up for the blind turn, turn 10. You got to turn before you see it. Boom. Get the red and white rumble strips under the car. Escape area over here, wall on the left. That's good, that's bad. The big back straight Dakota. My highest speed ever on a cold morning, 168.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and then, you know, full ABS car dancing into the corner.
Sure.
So we're going to pit. I got my pit signal out.
Which is your arm posted up?
Yep, and I'm going to tell him to pass on the right.
You stay tight.
Yep, help him out. Boom, chakalaka. What do you think of them apples?
Awesome. Great driving, man.
Too crazy?
No, not at all. Not at all. That
Take
worked.
some volume off here. Yep, can you still hear me?
Yeah, loud and
Okay.
clear. That was nice, man.
All right. It's brave for you to just get in a car and go through that craziness.
Well, I'm a speed freak by nature, and I think I teamed up with the right guy for this experience. So, thank you, brother.
Oh, nice to meet you. It's a pleasure.
Same here, Tim. Great ride.
Yeah.
We just came off track.
Great ride.
We survived.
Absolutely. Coming into the pits is when I started getting queasy.
Okay.
And I do feel a little queasy now. I didn't get
Once
queasy
the
on
motion
track.
stops.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
It's like when you're on a ship and you hit land, and you're like, ooh.
But I do appreciate it. If anyone has the opportunity to come out to Austin, Coda, and take a demo ride with a professional driver and instructor, this is what you want to do at least. So, I enjoyed it. I couldn't ask for a better driver too. Great experience, and that was well worth it. So appreciate it.
You are a trooper.
Thank
Pleasure
you,
to meet you.
Thank you.
Fun.
Yep.